Today I had an order for a bento cake boxes. Is the this one is the large one that I offer. Is the one that comes with a mini cake, which is a 5-inch cake and 8 cupcakes. Sometimes I do accept a order for a 4-inch too, but I don't really like it because you have this more work on that and you don't really make money, you know. I sold a lot of bento box before, but I don't really like it anymore. I don't really enjoy. I still make it, I still accept it, but don't really like it. This cake was a 5-inch cake. I was decorative in the night before. You know, I do prefer to work on, especially on my cakes, a few hours early before transfer to the box, or at least a day before. Okay, if not, at least 4 hours before I transfer the cake to the box. I like to allow my cake to be fresh. Okay, just make it more stable. Okay, to work on it. These cupcakes here, this box here, the customer, she asked me for 3 color theme. I'm working with orange, green, as you can see, and they just white plain buttercream. Okay, I haven't added any white color to it. I'm just using the normal buttercream color. Okay, and just simple, you know, in the top of the cake, because the cake was already decorated with green. I just added the orange and the white or nude color, and the rest of the cupcakes I'm gonna be try to working with it other three, with all the 3 colors. That's what I'm trying to say, but very simple. But you know, sometimes I had this order, so I just thought, why not just record the video and share, you know, with the people. That's what my channel is about, you know. I like to share with just people that just start to baking or plan to baking. You know, some people just scare, they don't know, they think it's complicated, and it's not complicated. It's very simple. I started baking in 2019, and I've been baking since, you know. I'm doing more like on local customers at the moment, but before I started only with the cupcakes. Okay, the cupcakes is a very simple things to do. I really enjoy doing cupcakes until now, you know. And I was selling a lot from Etsy. Okay, but now I'm just doing more local customers. Okay, I sold a lot of mini bento cakes, a lot. Okay, and that's why I create a mini online class, you know, mini course, you can call it online class or something like that, to share and to teach people how you can make a mini bento box cake from scratch. Okay, very simple step-by-step tutorial for even if you are a beginner, you're gonna learn how to make your own mini bento cakes and sell. Okay, so if you like to know more about it, if you are interested, or if you want to, I'm gonna leave the link on the description box of this video. Okay, and I see you in my next video. Bye.